Go.
After. Tell. Before. No. Best. Both. Found. By. Give. By's gave.
There you go.
By's an easy word. By. Him. Goes. Sleep.
Nice.
Sit. Keep. Because.
Very good.
Hot. Wood.
Very good.
Old.
Ah,
It. Five.
nice job.
Old.
What is this?
Oh, hold.
I want to hear you.
Fast. Done. Don't.
Nice job.
Of. May. Call. Right.
Right.
Live. Wish. Let. Always.
Always.
Buy.
What's this kind of buy?
I just bought this.
Well, use it with the right word, buy. Not bought.
Oh, well. I just buy this.
Use it in the present tense, so like you're going to do it right now.
I want to buy this.
That's good.
When? Why? Where? Were?
Very good.
That's what I said.
I know.
Which? Walk. Wash. Think. Butter.
Try again.
Better.
Better.
I want a buttercup. About. Yard. Yard.
Really look at it.
Your. Ugh. Your.
Your. Very good.
Clean. Carry.
Nice.
Grow. Goes.
Try again.
Got.
There you go.
Just. Medano. Has. Medano. Had. Goes.
What is this word?
Going.
What is it?
Go eat. That's what I said. Read. Now I'm done.
Nice job.